Is Harlow-Sydney.com the next big fashion destination? Or just another online shopping trap dressed up in trendy designs and flashy sales? With promises of stylish dresses, irresistible discounts, and limited-time offers, the site tries hard to look like a trusted fashion brand, but is it actually legit, or is there something shady going on behind the scenes? In this video, we dive deep into the truth behind the store's bold claims and uncover several warning signs that every smart shopper needs to know. First, although Harlow-Sydney claims to have been around for years with over 900 glowing reviews and 5,000 plus happy customers, their domain was only registered in May 2025, a major red flag that doesn't match their narrative. They also bombard visitors with fake urgency tactics like "autumn sale ends today" and "limited stock," which are classic pressure tricks used by questionable sites to push impulse purchases. On top of that, there's absolutely no presence on Instagram, Facebook, or any social media platform, which is extremely unusual for any fashion brand claiming such popularity in today's digital world. Customer reviews we did find across independent sources were inconsistent, vague, or outright suspicious. Watchdog platforms like Enid sites have also raised concerns about the legitimacy of the site, and there's very little transparency about who actually runs the business or where it's based. While the website may seem convincing at first glance, the deeper you look, the more things just don't add up.